Hi, welcome to Crown Innovative Solutions.
Do you want to learn programming in a fun way? And that too the fastest growing programming language, which is Python. So, we are here. In this series, you will learn by the Python language from start to end. Only prerequisite here is your time, nothing else. If you have not done programming before, that's completely fine because in this series we will start from scratch. So you will understand the basic of Python language, you will understand the fundamentals, you will understand the syntax, and not just that, we will also focus on concepts. So this Introduction to Python. Python is one of the fastest growing language in terms of number of developers who are using it, in terms of the number of libraries we have, in terms of number of companies who are using it, and in terms of the areas you can implement it. You talk about artificial intelligence applications, data science projects, machine learning projects, GUI software development, web development and mobile applications. You can use it everywhere, and that's why it is also called as a general-purpose language. What is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development, as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for machine learning projects, artificial intelligence, web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and many more. What can Python do? Python can be used on a machine learning projects. Python can be used on artificial intelligence projects. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Why should I use Python? It has a simple syntax that mimics natural language, so it's easier to read and understand. This makes it quicker to build projects and faster to improve on them. It's versatile. Python can be used for many different tasks, from web development to machine learning. It's beginner-friendly, making it popular for entry-level coders. It's open source, which means it's free to use and distribute, even for commercial purposes. Python's archive of modules and libraries, bundles of code that third-party users have created to expand Python's capabilities, is vast and growing. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability, and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete the command, as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, using white space, to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. That's it for today's video. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.